Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview YOT rectangular family swimming pool with repair kit. This pool can not only be used as a swimming pool, but also a ball pit, sand pit, fishing pond, toy pool that your kids can play at home to enjoy playtime without being exposed to the sun's rays or raining day. The sturdy metal frame is powder-coated for rust resistance and has super tough laminated sidewalls that are reinforced with an all-around band to keep frame legs firmly in place. An affordable and easy-to-set-up alternative to more complicated steel-walled pools, and a more durable alternative to inflatable models. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Product benefits. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. It's tear-resistant and won't fade over time to sun exposure. Flow-controlled drain valve provides a simple solution for emptying the excess water. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.